Hello viewers, this is Mahmoud and in this video we are going to solve this radical equation. So we start by isolating the term with the square root. So move the x to the right side of the equation. You know, we are going to subtract x on each side, so that would become, square root of x squared plus 4 is equal 1 minus x. Now, to remove the square root, we square both sides of the equation. That is square root of x squared plus 4 whole square is equal 1 minus x whole square. So on the left side, the square and the square root cancel out, so leaving us with x squared plus 4 is equal, on the right side, you know we expand this binomial, so that would become 1 squared and then minus 2 times 1 and x, and then plus x squared. Okay, so now simplify this equation, so that would become x squared plus 4 is equal 1 minus 2 times x and then plus x squared. Now we are going to shift all the right sides term to the left side, so that would become x squared plus 4 then minus 1 plus 2x and then minus x squared. We shifted all these terms to the left side of the equation, so on the right side there is a 0. Okay, so now you can see x square cancel out with the negative x square, so we left only with 2x, and then 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 and then equal to 0. So now we are going to solve this equation for x. So then 2x is equal, we are going to shift this 3 on the on the right side of the equation, so that would become negative 3, and now we are going to divide by 2, so it would become x is equal negative 3 divided by 2. So now we are going to verify that whether is it a solution of the um, given radical equation or not. Okay, so that is verification. So we will put this value of x into the given radical equation. That is, our radical equation is square root of x squared plus 4 plus x is equal 1. So now here putting x is equal negative 3 upon 2. So here we go, square root of x square, so that means negative 3 upon 2 whole square plus 4, and then here instead of x we have to put negative 3 upon 2 is equal 1. Okay, simplify this square root term, so that would become square root of 9 upon 4 and then plus 4, and here we have negative 3 over 2 is equal 1. So here when we are simplifying the quantity under the radical sign, so that would become 9 plus 16, that would be 25 upon 4, then minus 3 divided by 2 is equal 1. Now we are going to simplify the radical, so that would become 5 divided by 2, then minus 3 divided by 2 is equal 1. Now here we have, 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2, so that would become 2 upon 2. That would become 2 divided by 2 is equal 1. So then here we have 1 is equal 1. So the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So our solution, that is x is equal to negative 3 divided by 2, is basically the correct solution. That is a solution. Got it?